Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to hide spending rings slash graphs in Bank of America app for privacy. If you don't want others seeing your spending charts when you open the app, here's how to turn them off. First, open the Bank of America app and log in. Next, what you have to do is tap the menu in the bottom right, then go to the profile and settings, scroll down for privacy and security, and look for spending and budgeting. Next, toggle off the show spending and budgeting tools. This hides the colored spending rings and the graphs from your home screen. You'll still be able to see the transactions and balances, but without the visual breakdowns. Safety tip: if you share your phone, also enable Face ID or Touch ID in the app settings, so only you can open this app. Quick fix: if the option isn't there, update the Bank of America app from the App Store, log out and back in. Sometimes the privacy toggle only appears after updating. Subscribe for more quick fixes.